everyone, we're going to be looking at how to make a sale to a privileged person. So ideally, when someone comes in as a privileged person, they should have an LPO number. So just like the way we invoice with any other good or service, we come to our main menu, which is our administrator mode, 1 under sales mode. Under this mode, before going ahead with our invoice, just as we did with our export, we come to our menu. We select privileged persons, number 2, and enter our LPO number. So our LPO number will consist of 10 digits as well. Okay. Then we see privileged person mode. So you're in the privileged person mode as you're issuing this invoice. We can see privileged person mode there. Then now we're going to sell coffee to these people. We're going to say 2, which is our quantity, times our product number. Remember that our item is associated to a number. So when we entered coffee as number 2 on our list, we're saying 2 coffee by 2. So we press PLU, product lookup. So as you can see, it automatically knocks off the VAT, hence the 25.86. Remember that the price we entered for coffee was 15 kwacha. So we say we can add our buyer at this point. We can search for our buyer, and assuming that our privileged buyer is Mrs. P, we press 2 and verify her details and press enter. Then we can say pay mode, sell type, cash, assuming it was paid for by cash. Then we press enter, escape further, enter. So we can see there that that's our complete invoice with our buyer name there, Mrs. P, and all her details. And then our coffee has the price but knocked off the VAT. Don't be the one to knock off the VAT on your own. The machine does that on its own.